Hello and welcome to the College Move In vlog. I clearly remember this day and how weird I was feeling. We got up at 4 a.m. for our 6 a.m. train from New Delhi to Jammu, and with my huge luggage, we boarded the train. Honestly, I was काफ़ी sad this day because I didn't want to leave my family and friends and my life behind. And to be honest, that feeling did not go away for a while. I won't even say that it's completely gone now. When the scenery outside my window changed from plains to mountains, that is when reality hit me that this is actually happening. Guys, we're in Jammu. Hi guys, we are moving in today. I am very stressed कि हमारा इतना सारा सामान fit कैसे आएगा in that tiny room. But let's see.
All the best.
Thank you.
Just take care of yourself
Okay, Amrit.
and be happy.
Yes. Finally, I got my room, and I think it's a pretty decent sized room. It's a triple sharing room. I chose the bed on the corner. This is my table, and that is my bed, and that is my cupboard. With my room, the lighting is so bad, but it's okay. I have all of my saman here.
Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
So pretty. After finishing unpacking for the most part, we went niche for evening snacks, and the sunset was so beautiful. I think that's what I love most about this campus. You're always so close to nature, and there are also these two really cute dogs on campus. They literally sleep at the entrance of the hostels, and you see them every morning. It makes me so happy.
Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the longer day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the longer day.
In the sun when I found
So for the 3 days of orientation, they had organized like this yoga thing for us all 3 days at 6 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, these 3 days were like insanely hectic. We would get up at 5 a.m. for yoga, then we had to get ready and leave by 8:30 for orientation, and we came back at like 8.
Ooh,
Hi guys, we're waiting for another speaker session.
Yeah, but I think it's somebody from the college. It's not like a Bahar ka.
Yes, this is day 2 of orientation and we are in this seminar hall and it's so pretty.
But on a more serious note, Aaj was so much more fun compared to the day before. Like we had actual real leader speakers like coming in, speaking to us, and it actually felt like we were in an IM for like the first. Like seeing the old campus, we were kind of like, but like the new campus is genuinely so like you can tell that there's a difference between IIM standards. They hold it to such a high level. It's honestly just. You feel like you should work harder just being here. I think a lot of people feel like, you know, baby IIMs, FAM, but they honestly are at IIM as a standard in every campus. I don't think there is anything that I would rank lower. I feel like all of them are really up there.
You can feel that.
You can see
in the experience
the
here.
faculty, the kind of peer group that you have, you honestly can't compare it to. I don't think you can compare it to any other college you would go. Speakers today were so like,
Passionate.
Yeah, they were so passionate about what they do, and they were so passionate about how they carried themselves as like ambassadors for the institute. Like you don't really get that anywhere else. At least I haven't seen it.
And they were all genuinely like happy to be here.
Haan, they were.
And they wanted to talk to us.
Like abhi tak to we were kind of like, you know, I think it's even the fact that we might get homesick kabhi and if we're leaving Ghar for the first time, but like, now it kind of feels like home.
Yeah.